The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 will be lighter and will pack a Snapdragon 888 chipset. What's up guys, it's Anwar for TechNewLeaks. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Galaxy Z Fold 3 which will be equipped with Snapdragon 888 chipset. The upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 will be powered by the flagship Snapdragon 888 chipset, says ICE Universe. Not a surprise considering that the new foldable is expected to cost the same as the Galaxy Fold 2. Samsung's upcoming Galaxy foldable device appears to be inching nearer to its release date. The latest news comes from China, where the alleged Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 received its 3C certification. This certification details that the upcoming Z Fold device will have a dual battery system totaling 4275 mAh of battery capacity. This battery system consists of two individual battery cells, one with 2215 mAh and other with 2060 mAh. The dual cell system distributes the battery's weight across the both halves of the foldable phone. Looking at these numbers, the Z Fold 3's battery capacity is lower than the Z Fold 2's 4500 mAh total capacity. The CAT says that the new model will be 13 gram lighter than the Z Fold 2, which tipped the scales at 282 gram. The weight reduction might come from the new armor frame, which are rumors that this will be the name of titanium or carbon fiber frame, which are lighter than steel and even aluminium. Part of that could be the smaller battery 4275 mAh and the smaller external screen 5.4 inch down from 6.2 inch with same aspect ratio. However, the new Z Fold 3 as well as the Galaxy Z Flip 3 is expected to feature water resistance, which adds a bit of weight. These will become the first foldables with a water resistance. The form factor typically struggles with dust ingress, never mind water. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3 are expected to arrive in July. The indications so far are that the two will feature new generation foldable displays with upgrades to the ultra-thin glass and perhaps even switch to LTPO panels with 120Hz refresh rate. Other rumors about the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 3 speculated support for S Pen input, and it might have a smaller external display than the Galaxy Z Fold 2. It was also reported that the Z Fold 3 would arrive with 256GB of storage, while the Z Flip 2 would arrive in both 128GB and 256GB configurations. So what do you guys think about this video? Would you be interested in buying Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 this month? Let me know down in the comments. If you have enjoyed the video, then a like would be cherished. Thank you.